Today we will tour 4238 West Nora Drive in Santan Valley, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Santan Valley, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Santan Valley. Welcome to this beautifully upgraded home. Built in 2023 and situated on an end lot, this home offers modern finishes, abundant natural light, and a thoughtfully designed layout. Located in the sought-after Pinnacle at Santan Heights community, you'll enjoy convenient access to downtown Queen Creek, where shopping, dining, and everyday conveniences are just minutes away. Here we have a dedicated laundry room, fitted with a washer and dryer for added convenience. The spacious kitchen is designed to be the heart of the home. It features upgraded appliances, a large center island with pendant lighting, a beautiful tile backsplash, and a huge pantry that provides exceptional storage. Ceiling fans are installed in every room to help keep the home comfortable year-round, while large windows fill the living spaces with natural light. Outside, you'll find plenty of space for relaxing or entertaining, with a covered patio, extended paver patios, and artificial turf for easy upkeep. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. The primary suite offers a comfortable retreat. The bathroom includes separate vanities, a large walk-in shower, a separate toilet room, and generous closet space. Come see everything this beautiful home has to offer. Schedule your tour today.